Feeling like your brain is running a marathon with no finish line? You're not alone. That constant feeling of being tired, anxious, and unable to focus is what we call excessive brain stress. It happens when our minds get overloaded with worries, work, or emotional pressure. But don't worry, protecting your brain and mental health doesn't require a complete life overhaul. Today, we're going to explore 10 simple yet powerful habits that can bring calm and clarity back into your life. First up, let's talk about breathing. It sounds too simple, right? But taking just a few minutes each day to breathe slowly and deeply can work wonders. When you breathe deeply, you send a surge of oxygen to your brain, which signals your nervous system to calm down and reduces stress hormones. Try it now. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. Feel that. That's instant relief. Next, prioritize your sleep. Your brain is like a supercomputer that needs to shut down and reboot to function properly. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. This is when your brain repairs itself, consolidates memories, and flushes out toxins. To make this happen, try to avoid screens and caffeine before bed. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. A well-rested brain is a resilient brain. Number 3 is to get moving. Physical activity is a fantastic stress buster. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which are natural mood elevators and pain relievers. You don't have to run a marathon. Even a brisk walk, a quick dance session in your living room, or some gentle stretching can significantly boost blood flow to your brain and reduce tension. So, find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your day. Our fourth habit is to limit information overload. In today's digital world, our brains are constantly bombarded with notifications, news, and social media updates. This can be incredibly overwhelming. Try setting specific times to check your phone and schedule digital detox periods where you unplug completely. Giving your mind a break from the constant stream of information allows it to recover and recharge. Now let's talk about food. What you eat directly impacts your brain health. Fuel your mind with brain-healthy foods. Think omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds. Load up on antioxidants from berries and vitamins from leafy greens like spinach and kale. These nutrients support brain function, protect against damage, and can help reduce the physical symptoms of stress. You are what you eat, and your brain will thank you for the good stuff. Habit number 6 is practicing mindfulness or meditation. This is all about training your brain to stay in the present moment instead of worrying about the past or future. Just 10 minutes of guided meditation or mindful observation each day can significantly calm your mental chatter and reduce stress. There are tons of free apps and videos to help you get started. It's like a workout for your mental well-being. Number 7 is a big one. Talk about your feelings. Keeping worries bottled up inside creates immense emotional pressure. Find a friend, family member, or a professional you trust and share what's on your mind. The act of voicing your feelings can be incredibly therapeutic and helps your brain process and release the tension. You don't have to carry it all alone. If you have a demanding job or study schedule, our 8th habit is for you. Take short, regular breaks. The human brain isn't designed for non-stop focus. Working in sprints of 45 to 60 minutes, followed by a 5 to 10 minute break, can dramatically improve your productivity and prevent burnout. Stand up, stretch, look out the window, or grab a glass of water. These mini resets help your brain stay sharp and focused for longer. Habit number 9 is to use the power of sound. Listening to relaxing music, like classical, ambient, or even nature sounds like rain or ocean waves, can have a profound calming effect. It can lower your heart rate, slow your breathing, and reduce anxiety, helping you think more clearly and creatively. Create a calm playlist and have it ready for when you feel stress levels rising. Finally, number 10, cultivate positive thinking. This isn't about ignoring problems, but about training your mind to focus on what you can control and what you're grateful for. Practicing gratitude, maybe by writing down 3 good things that happened each day, can actually rewire your brain, reduce the stress hormone cortisol, and build your overall mental resilience. Focus on progress, not perfection. Remember, reducing brain stress isn't about doing all these things perfectly from day one. It's about building small, consistent habits that give your mind the space it needs to rest and heal. Start with 1 or 2 that feel right for you and build from there. Because a calm brain is a powerful, healthy, and happy brain. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on living a healthier, happier life. We love to have you in our community. See you in the next one.